Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have discussed about how we create a database and how we create a table and how we insert the values into the table. Today we are going to discuss about query. Query means select the particular values from the table based on some conditions. In this class, we are going to do the activities based on queries. First, we open the database that have been created in last class. Okay, we get the database window. Here, select the form. One form is presented that have been created in last class. Open the form. We can see the values. First value, then press the arrow key, we can see the next values. So press the arrow button, we can see all the values inserted in the table. Then close the window. Now we are going to create query. Press the query option. Then press use wizard to create query. So we get the query wizard. The first column is table name. Then the second column is the columns in the table, name of the columns in the table. If we want to create the query for another table, choose the table from the table name. If now we are going to make the query for the table book underscore table 1, then the available field in the table are book number, name, author, price, date of purchase, category and cover. In the result, we want the field that forward to the second column. Select the column and press the arrow key. The column name is forwarded to the second column field in the query. We want all the columns in the table. Press the second arrow. If the selected columns are wanted, then select the column name and press the single arrow. So next I select the name, then press arrow key. Then press the category, then press the arrow key. Then press the next button. In the first column, sort by, that choose the column name that based on the conditions. Here I select the book number. We can select the ascending or descending order. Okay. First sort by, in the field sort by, select the column name. Here I select the book number. Then press the next button. Then the condition is set in this field. First select the column name. Here I select the author name. Then condition, select the condition like. Then the value. Value is empty, so we get the field only the author name empty. Then press next button. Then also press the next button. Here the name of available field in the query and the column name. Then press the next button. Here the name of the query. Here I added empty to the name of the query. Query underscore book underscore table 1 underscore then empty. Then press finish. Okay, the new query is created. Then double click this query. We get the result. From the table, we get just 2 field based on author name, empty. So this is the use of query. We only just to get the specific data based on some conditions. Okay, then close the window. Then I am going to create another query. So press use wizard to create query. Then forward the column names to the field in the query. Select each name and press the arrow. Then press the next button. Then press the next button. Okay, here the first column, select the column name based on the condition. Here I select the price. Then press ascending or descending. Then set the condition. Here the book underscore table underscore price is smaller than. Here I give the value 240. Here the condition is table price smaller than 240 table. Then press next. Then press next. Then press next. Then give the name for the query. Then finally press the finish button. Then open the query. So we get the result. Okay, I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.